The Nigerian Union of Journalists, NUJ Anambra State Council, has announced the traditional ruler of Ogidi community, Igwe Uzo Onyido, as the 2023 NUJ Man of the Year. He took after the Deputy Managing Director of Zenith Bank PLC, Dr. Adora Umoji, who won the award in 2022. The NUJ Chairman, Anambra State Council, Dr. Odogwu Emeka Odogwu, said Igwe Onyido, as the Chamaya of Ogidi community, was selected for his outstanding performances and benevolence to mankind.
Award of NUJ award is an award of excellence and prestigious award, and that's what we're bestowing on him. And we will get it jealously anywhere, anytime. The 1 hour has come for us to unveil the big masquerade who successively stood the test of time to become the NUJ Anambra State Man of the Year 2023. Let me not bore you with the rigorous exercise we went through to ensure that it was transparently done. And I tell you, His Royal Majesty Igwe Onyido of Ogidi Kingdom merited upper set of life that this award is going to be bestowed on.
Thank you. The 2022 award Man of the Year, I'm just handed over the baton over to Igwe Pharmacy. After this, okay, so now,
when they came up, they now said that they have made up their mind to give them this Man of the Year award. That having seen what I have of them, they are convinced that the award, I want this award. I was a bit astonished when they said that. I have to accept the letter, and here now. So I'm very happy to be choosing as 2023 awardee.
The event attracted many personalities and dignitaries, including the Chief Judge of Anambra State, Justice Onochie Anyachebelo, who congratulated the Anambra NUJ and Igwe Onyido for the award, which he described as well deserved.
All of you. I read in one of the documents here, it said no government succeeds without the media. I can tell you that in fact nothing succeeds without the media. The media is a veritable tool, whether you call it journalism or the single name is media. I am sure all of us, no matter how literate or illiterate, we all use social media. And we know that social media controls the world. Congratulations to me. So it's Royal Majesty. I say congratulations. I bring these greetings from the Anambra State Judiciary.
The national chairman of APGA, Barrister Sly Ezokenwa, in his speech, tasked journalists on professionalism, even as he decried the trend of fake news and sensational reportage circulating online.
My work here today aims to explore the concept of pragmatic media practice as an antidote for sustainable development in the stressed economy, with a specific focus on Anambra State, Nigeria.
Igwe pharmacist Uzo Onyido is a member of the Southeast Forum Consultative Committee on Health, representing traditional rulers of the Southeast. He is the founder and CEO of Albin Healthcare Industry Limited, a pharmaceutical industry, and also the chairman of Pearl Oil and Gas Industry. He recently built and donated a huge pharmaceutical building complex to Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu University. For all he has done for humanity, Igwe Onyido has earned numerous awards and recognitions, both at home and beyond. He has equally won several laurels in his chosen profession.